Hi, welcome to all my YouTube channels. Let us study about the mesomeric effect or resonance effect. Resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Mesomeric effect. In general organic chemistry, in last class we have clearly discussed about the inductive effect. That is the first part of the displacement of electron during the chemical reaction. This is the backbone of the organic chemistry and very important for organic chemistry to understand the mechanism of organic chemistry. So we have already discussed what is inductive effect, how it is applied in the mechanism of reaction or in find out the reactive order of acidic character or basic character. We have already discussed in the last class. If you are not visit my last class, then you search and if you look the sincerely in the inductive effect, which is the most important, and the next part is the mesomeric effect. Before going to mesomeric effect, mesomeric effect and resonance effect are not same, are not equally same. They have all mesomeric effect are the resonance effect, but all resonance effect are not mesomeric effect. There is a little bit of difference. So first you know that what is the meaning of resonance? What is the meaning of resonance? What is the meaning of resonance? What is the resonating structure? What is the resonance hybrids? Resonance means the sum of compounds do not have or do not represent with a single structure. Do not represent with a single structure due to displacement of pi electron or lone pair electron. Okay, due to displacement of pi electron or due to displacement of pi electron or lone pair electron. Lone pair electron due to displacement of or movement of or transfer of whatever you may be say, that may be displacement, that may be movement, that may be the transfer of pi electron or lone pair electron. A compound cannot represent in single structure. Okay, it can represent the more than one structure, which is called resonating structure. And the movement of electron always takes place within the molecules, the intermolecular concept, the movement of pi electron or lone pair electron always takes place within a molecule, not outside of the molecule, within a molecule. It is the intermolecular concept. It is a intermolecular concept. Okay, it is intermolecular concept. Third thing, it is completely hypothetical in nature. It can drawn in the pen and paper, not in the practical view. It is not in a practical view. We only observe, we only draw in the pen and paper with the apply of logic. With the apply of logic. Mean it is completely hypothetical view. Nature. Hypothetical in nature means it is always draw in a pen and paper, not in the internal structure, not it visible by the under microscope. It is only the pen and paper according to the characteristics of compound, according to the logic of compound, that is drawn in a pen and paper. That is completely hypothetical in nature. Completely hypothetical in nature. Means resonance means the displacement of pi electron or a lone pair electron. Pi electron or a lone pair electron. For example, suppose CO3 2 minus. CO3 2 minus means when we draw the Lewis structure of carbonate ion, when we draw the Lewis structure of carbonate ion means CO3 2 minus, meaning CO3 2 minus mean here is COOO, and each oxygen has 6 valence electron. 6 valence electron and 2 minus mean it gain the extra 2 electron, mean 2 oxygen out of 3 oxygen. 2 oxygen has the gain of electron, and this electron which gain that make with the covalent bonds with a single bond with carbon, that is a single bond with carbon. Here is minus sign, here is minus sign. It gain, this atom gain 1 electron, this atom gain 1 electron, and other 2 electron make the covalent bond with the oxygen. Then if as this is the minus sign, okay, if this minus sign means that is a pair of electron of the oxygen and another electron of carbon, that make a pair of electron. If will this move to this, then this pi electron move to this, when this is the sign of the resonance. Mean when this move to this, then it will form double bond. This oxygen get negative charge and this oxygen get negative charge. Okay, if this will come to this, then this come to this position. Okay, then make double bond and this get negative charge. Okay, mean the pi electron या lone pair electron moves or displaces within the molecule. That can mean double bond present in maybe in this position, maybe in this position, maybe in this position. Mean this structure also be right, this structure also be right, this structure also be right. Mean the carbonate ion do not represent in a single structure. That is the structure 1, structure 2, structure 3. These 3 structures are called resonating structure. The displacement of the electron within the molecules, displacement of the pi electron or lone pair electron within a molecule are called resonance. Okay, and the process of phenomenon are called the resonance, and the structure are called a resonating structure. Resonating structure. Then here you look that the double bond are the delocalized. The pi electron are delocalized in the within the molecules. There may be the chance of a position of the double bond if here is C, here is O, here is O, here is O, and the double bond may present in this position or may this position or this position. Okay, it may be delta negative, negative, or negative or negative. This is called resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid. This is called resonance hybrid. This is called what? Resonance hybrids. Okay. And for the resonating structure and the process of resonance, that should be conjugation based. Conjugation based mean pi bond, sigma bond, then lone pair electron या positive charge या negative charge. Okay, that should be present in a definite order, mean alternative double bond, means that is called conjugative. That should be in the organic compound, the structure of the compound should be conjugative. The structure of compound should be conjugation. Conjugation mean that may be alternative pi bond, mean pi bond, sigma bond, mean one carbon contain pi bond, the next carbon should be sigma bond, and the next carbon should be pi bond, should be lone pair electron. Here is maybe pi bond or lone pair electron, should be in positive in charge or negative in charge, or lone pair electron. Mean that should be in between pi bond and pi bond or lone pair electron, in between the pi bond या pi bond lone pair electron, there should be a sigma bond carbon which contain sigma bond, and that structure, that compound only form the resonating structure. In that type of compounds only form the resonating structure. Okay, suppose here is CH, 2 double bond, CH single bond, CH2 plus. Okay, here is double bond, here is single bond, here is positive charge. So it is conjugative, it is conjugation based. So it should form the resonating structure because it form the positive ion, mean the electron of carbon are goes away, mean taken by the another atom. So it get positive in charge. Okay, it get positive in charge. Due to positive in charge, this electron will move to this position, mean this charge, mean the carbon will move to this position, and the pi bond shift to this, pi bond shift to this, mean here it make the double bond. There is no change of this carbon, there is no change of this carbon, and when this get this position, it will get what? Sorry, very sorry. As it in positive charge, first this electron move to this position. Okay, when this get, then positive charge move to this position, means CH2 plus, here is CH double bond CH2. Okay, suppose CH3, CH double bond CH, single bond CH2 minus, CH2 minus, mean the electron of other atom is attracted by the carbon. Electron of other atom is attracted to the carbon. Then this minus mean, this minus charge mean the pair of electron, mean the one is the carbon electron, another is the electron of another atom which attracted by the carbon, suppose here is the another, suppose nitrogen are present, the electron of nitrogen attracted by carbon, it get the negative charge, mean one carbon of electron of carbon, another electron of sodium, so it get the pair of electron, so that first this displays to this position, then it displays to this position. The displacement of electron means CH2 minus single bond CH double bond CH2. Okay, here is the just the displacement. These two structure are called the resonating structure. These two structure are called the resonating structure. These two structure are called resonating structure. Okay, this is called resonating structure. Mean the displacement of the pi electron or lone pair electron within a molecule are called resonating structure, and the process the phenomenon are called resonance. The process are called resonance. The process are called resonance. The process are called resonance. Suppose CH double bond CH2 N double bond O2 coordinate bond O. Then when here is pi sigma pi, okay, pi sigma pi, so it should be conjugate, mean when this bond will shift to this position, it get negative in charge, then when this get negative charge, the lone pair of electron of the oxygen come to this, mean it get what? Here is lone pair electron of double bond sigma, then lone pair electron. This lone pair electron move to this position and it will move in this direction. This is the resonance hybrid. Mean there is the displacement of pi electron. Okay, displacement of pi electron. Suppose here is CH2 double bond CH NH4 plus NH3 plus, means here is a positive charge sigma bond, here is pi bond sigma bond positive, but here is the zero resonance. This is the more important thing, zero resonance, because if it will move to this and it will get, then nitrogen get pentavalent, so nitrogen never get pentavalent due to the displacement of pi electron. If the pi electron displaced to this, then nitrogen get pentavalent. Here is the nitrogen at the tetravalent. Nitrogen makes at the common valence is 3, means the trivalent. If you get more 1, that is the tetravalent and get the positive in charge, but nitrogen never get pentavalent, so it is the zero resonance. So that resonance means is nothing, that is only the displacement of pi electron or lone pair electron in case of suppose in aromatic compound. Especially it is affected in the maximum case in aromatic compounds. So when you read about the mesomeric effect, we read the clearly first of the in case of aromatic compound. Suppose here is OH. and it has the alternative double bond, when it should be conjugation, mean alternative double bond, mean this oxygen get lone pair, it also has a lone pair, mean when this lone pair to shift this position, then this pi bond will shift to this carbon. So it resonance structure, as it the lone pair electron come to this, then oxygen, this gas positive in charge, here is make a double bond, and this pi electron move to this position, this will get negative in charge, then here is double bond, here is double bonds. Then this electron may be displaced to this bond. If when this electron displaced to this bond, this carbon get 5. Carbon never pentavalent. So this again shifted to this. Mean this are come to this position, and this double bond get negative in charge, here is position double bond, then this charge are moved to this bond, mean this position. If the double bond come to this position, then this carbon get again pentavalent, mean 5 bonds, so it will again shift to this position. If this charge are come to this position and this come to negative in charge, when this come to this position, and again it will comes back to its original position. This is the resonating structure of phenol. Resonating structure of phenol. Okay, that is the delocalization of pi bond. Here you look the position of pi bond. Here you look the position of pi bond. Okay, then the pi bond are delocalized due to the displacement of electron within a molecule. Due to the displacement of electron within a molecule. This delocalization are called the resonating structure. And it can also be drawn with the resonance hybrid. Okay, mean double bond present may be this position, may be this position, may be this position, so like that. And the negative mean partially negative in charge in ortho position or in meta position, ortho, and a para, not in meta position, only ortho and a para position, maybe this position or this position or this position, ortho and a para position. This is all about the resonating structure. Before going to resonance effect, we should know what is the stability of resonating structure. Resonating structure means when a compound show more than one structure. If a compound represent within more than one structure, then question arises, which structure are more stable? Which structure are more stable? Which structure are more stable? Means stability of resonance hybrid or resonating structure. Stability of resonating structure. Stability of resonating structure. Stability of resonating structure means, suppose here is CH2 double bond CH3 O CH2 CH3 O CH2. plus. Okay, here is lone pair electron, here is lone pair electron, sigma bond positive in charge, sigma bond and positive in charge. So the lone pair electron come to this, and it will, the positive charge will get by the oxygen atom. In the lone pair electron move to this position, means CH3O in positive in charge, double bond CH2. Okay, so here is structure 1, here is structure 2. These two are the resonating structure because there is the movement of lone pair electron. But question arises, which one is the more stable, structure 1 or structure 2? Structure 1 or structure 2? Okay, if both are in same, but here is 2 covalent bond, here is 3 covalent bond. So more covalent bond mean more covalent bond always stable than less covalent bond, less number of covalent bond. Covalent bond. Okay, here is 2 covalent bond and here is 3 covalent bonds. If a molecule has more number of covalent bond, it has the more stable resonating structure. More stable resonating structure. To find out the resonance energy, it should be required to which one is the most stable resonating structure. Okay, we can find out the actual energy minus the most energy of the most stable resonating structure, that is the resonance energy. So we find out the which one is the most stable, mean which has more number of covalent bond. Here you look 2 covalent bond, but here is 3 covalent bond. So this one is the, mean structure 2 is more stable than structure 1. Okay, the given another example, that is the principle 1. Okay, that is the first point to determine the resonating structure, mean the more number of covalent bond always the more stable. Okay, when the number of covalent bond increases in a resonating structure, the stability also increases. Second, suppose CH2 double bond CH&NH2. Okay, here is lone pair electron. If this lone pair electron move to this position, this will move to this position. When this come to this, it will get a negative in charge. CH2 negative in charge, single bond CH double bond NH2. Here is covalent bond is 1, 2, 3. Here is also covalent bond is 1, 2, 3. But now we discuss that the compound which contain more number of covalent bond, that is more stable. But here is the number of covalent bond is same. Here is the number of covalent bond is same. Here is 3. Here is also 3. If the number of covalent is same, then the neutral is more stable than the ionic form. Neutral is more stable than the ion. Here is, it is the neutral, but here is, this will get in negative charge, mean ionic form. If the number of covalent is same, if number of covalent is different, then which has more number of covalent bond, that is stable, that may be neutral or charge. But if number of covalent bond is same, if number of covalent bond is same, then neutral molecule is more stable then ion. Okay, then question arises, sir, if both structure have the ion, both structure have same number of covalent bond, but same mean both are in ionic form. Both are in ionic form. For example, suppose CH2 double bond, CH single bond, O minus. Okay, that is in ionic form, negative form. If this charge will move to this position, then double bond comes to this position. If double bond comes, when the electron of this carbon will come to this carbon, so it will also get negative in charge. Means CH2 negative in charge, single bond, CH double bond O. When here is 3 covalent, number of covalent bond. Number of covalent bond are 3. Here is also number of covalent bond 3. Number of covalent bond is 3. Here is also 3. Here is also 3. It is also ionic form. First principle says that different covalent bond, if which has more covalent bond, it is stable. But so that it is covalent bond is stable. Second, that if the neutral and ionic form, the neutral is stable. But here is same covalent bond, there is no neutral molecule, both are the ion. Then which one is the more stable resonating structure? Mean when the negative charge present in more electronegative atom or positive charge present in less electronegative. If both are in ionic form, mean the negative, in case of negative ion, mean if in case of negative ion, if negative ion present on more electronegative atom, electronegative atom is more stable than electro present in mean negative charge present in less electronegative atom. Electronegative atom. Okay, mean here is O minus, mean it has more electronegative as oxygen. Carbon has less electronegative atom. As it has the more electronegative atom, so it is more stable, means structure 1 is more stable than structure 2. If there is positive charge, then you look whether it present in a less electronegative or more electronegative. If it present in less electronegative atom, then it is the more stable. Okay, this is all about the resonance. And next class we read about the resonating effect, resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Okay, this is about the resonance and the stability of resonance. To understanding the mesomeric effect, so you should have idea about the resonance and the stability of resonating structure. Okay, next class we read about the mesomeric effect, how electron displacement due to the addition of electron withdrawing group or electron repelling group, electron providing group, electron withdrawing group. Okay, due to the addition of electron withdrawing group or electron repelling group, okay, then electron providing group, then it's the resonating effect also changed. So every mesomeric effect is a resonating effect, but every resonance effect is not a mesomeric effect. Mesomeric effect only to the addition of electron withdrawing group or electron providing group. Okay, that is the mesomeric effect that take an important role in our general organic chemistry. Okay, in our the displacement of carbon in a organic chemistry, that is take the importance roles. Okay, we have clearly discussed on the next class. So you first read carefully on this video to clear about the resonance and a resonating structure, a resonance hybrid and a stability okay, of resonating structure. Okay, thank you.